How to build a WordPress website. Step 1 is to choose a domain name. Your domain name is your identity on the internet. It's how your audience will find you and identify your brand. Precisely why you should choose something that reflects your brand and is easier for people to type into their browser and find you. You have complete freedom to choose your domain name, though. You can choose any name you want, provided it's available and not registered by other companies. Some of the tips you need to follow for selecting a great domain name for your website are: make it brandable and unique sounding. Make sure it's memorable. Keep it short. Keep it easy to spell, pronounce, and type. Include niche related words. For instance, if you plan on selling pizza, it would make sense to add pizza somewhere in the domain. Uh, think about it. Doesn't www.pizza.com sounds better than pizzasellingplace.com? Exactly, it sounds better. Now, you can use a domain .wheel, a free website name generator, to develop more ideas. If you're looking for some inspiration, simply put in a keyword related to your niche, and the tool will give you tons of suggestions to inspire you. Now that you have a prospective domain name, you have to check for its availability. Considering there are about 1.8 million websites online, staying original can be a little challenging, but it's definitely worth the effort. Since we all love free things, you can register your domain free of cost when subscribing to a web hosting service. The next step is select a web hosting provider and register a domain name. There are hundreds of companies that sell web hosting services and tons of companies that allow you to register a new domain name. But wouldn't it be more convenient to choose a company that offers you both services? Uh, and there is Bluehost, which is reliable, beginner friendly, cheap, and gives you a domain name for free. So, also, let's not forget that Bluehost is one of the few companies recommended on the official WordPress.org webpage. So, here is how to proceed next. Visit Bluehost website. Go to Bluehost in your web browser, select your hosting plan. You will see three hosting plan options available: Basic, Plus, Choice Plus. Then you can choose according to your own choice. All of these plans are there, but I would suggest you to choose the cheapest plan, which is $2.95 price tag. So, register your domain. Once you select your subscription plan, Bluehost will ask you to set up and register your domain. You will see two options here: create a domain name, use a domain you own. Select a create a new domain name option and enter your chosen name from step 1. Use a .com extension to add a more professional touch to your website. Fill in your personal information and account details. Next, you have to provide your personal data to set up your account. When you scroll down, you will see the package extra section. Take care to check only those fields that you think are worthwhile for your website. Once you're done, click on submit to finalize your purchase. Get Bluehost. Step third is get Bluehost to install WordPress for you. At this point, you have a hosting service provider and a domain name. Congratulations. The only thing missing is WordPress. Sure, so you can install WordPress manually. After completing the sign up process, check your inbox for an email from Bluehost. It will contain details showing you how to log into your customer profile and start work on your site. Once you log in, Bluehost will show you an easy to use wizard that will guide you through the process of installing WordPress on your hosting setup. You can also install WordPress by going to the My Site section, click on the Create Site button, and the installation will begin automatically. Enter your new site's detail, like the name, username, password, and your website will be ready to go. Next step is use a theme or design for your website. One of the biggest USPs of WordPress is it supports themes. And the themes are interchangeable designs that allow you to change how your WordPress website look looks at the touch of a button. For example, by default, this is going the whatever is shown there, that's the default, but you can change your website's appearance according to your own choice. Then you need to hit install right away. Go to parents followed by themes and then click on add new. Enter the name of the theme you want to install and click on install button under the desired theme. After the installation, click on activate to enable the things on your website. The next step is the install plugins, which is optional, so we will skip that. Now you need to configure important site steps. uh, then you need to set up important web pages and promote your site. When your website is ready, you can now focus on creating high quality content that helps you boost your traffic and conversions. Start by creating essential web pages like about, contact form, privacy policy, portfolio, and store. So this is all you need to build a WordPress website. You just need a domain name, a web hosting provider, and an up and running website. That's all. Thank you so much.